Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your ID cards on Allstate. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your ID card so that you could actually go ahead and place your insurance cards within your car holder. How do you actually go ahead and get your ID cards? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, what you're first going to do is scroll down and log into Allstate. Now, once you're logged onto Allstate, you're going to see this button here that says Get ID Card. So go ahead and click on Get ID Card. And then from here, you should have proof of all your ID cards. Now, you can cycle between different vehicles by clicking on this drop-down menu. And with that, you can just go ahead and print this, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your ID cards on Allstate. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.